So I'm back here with my Red Cat XD Pro, and I got something new on it. Can you tell? So these are those Duratrax C2 Hatchet MT tires, 12mm hexes. So with these, it's psycho, because these are made for grass, and when you're on the street with them, I got one to go like maybe that big, off the rim or on the rim, but you know what I mean, like that big. It's insane, and I mean the motor got pretty warm, like it got hot. Not even warm, it got hot. So this, it's still, I can't figure out how to get it all the way down. And, so, I mean, these wheels, when you're on grass, it sticks, and then it starts to do this. Like, it'll get psycho. And when you're down the road, it'll make that sound. Like, you know, big Jeeps go by you, they're really fast, you just hear, whoa. Yeah, that's what this thing sounds like with, here, I'll show you the tread pattern. It's got these little things. And I run it on 2S lipos. And a 3S. You know, need more power. And I don't know why it does this. It's really dumb. It's really annoying. I charge my batteries on this. Come on. There we go. So a Pulse Ultra powered redefined, a PLC 100, and I mean this thing is insane. So here it is compared to AirPods. That's how high off the ground it is. It's pretty insane. So here it is. Here's the tires compared to my AirPods. Yeah, it's pretty insane. It's quite big. But anyways, my, what's this thing called? What's that called? The tourney thing. I know what it's called, I just can't think of it right now. The tourney thing on the original one for my car burnt out. And so right now I'm using my crawlers tourney thing. And yeah, that's about it for today, but I mean, the ESC's been perfectly fine with these new tires. To get 4, it's around $60. So if you're around like the age where you need to beg your parents for money, all I'm saying is do a lot and be good. And if you're like an adult, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. So all I'm saying is, once you're done with 2S, wait a few minutes, because this thing is hot, gets hot. That's about it. But I'm surprised these little tiny diffs are handling. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go get my other tires. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my tires. So once you get them, you're gonna have to trim a little bit off of your body just to make them fit. But it'll be worth it once you do it. Here's the package it comes in. Here's the part number in case any of you guys want to get it. I'm gonna bring the thing too. Okay, so here's the original tires for it. Hold on. I mean, these things are so shiny. Look at it. You want to see the reason why I switched to aluminum rims? See that crack? I've replaced 4 tires. And it just, these tires grip, but they just suck. They don't last long at all. They just constantly break. Then for some reason, I decided to run all 4 tires on here. It was pretty dumb, but you know, whatever. So that's basically it for today's video. But here's the back of it case. So here's that. So care tips. If you want to see this, just pause it. And then there's that. And then performance. That's where you can get them. Here's the sizes. Okay, so that's basically it for today's video. And until next time, peace.